911, where's your emergency?
Strongsville?
What's the address?
I don't know. I'm on one road. Hold on a second. Sorry. I don't know.
That's okay.
Location.
That's okay. I have you on lawn just east of Walnut Creek. What's going on?
I have a girl. She fell down the stairs. We were going to put her in the car to take her to the emergency room, but I don't want to drive her. Somebody's got to.
Okay. All right. Get me an address on lawn then. Can you grab me that?
Hold on.
Is she outside?
Yes, we have her outside.
Okay. Try to find an address for me.
2
Plunder True Crime Audio.
Do you know if she's hurt, or you just need help getting her out?
She hit her head. She's bleeding.
Okay. Is she breathing?
Yes, she's breathing.
She's out, though. Hey. What
Is she conscious?
is she?
No, she's okay.
Okay. Somebody talk to me. Is she conscious, breathing, and alert?
She's not her eyes are shut. She's breathing.
Okay.
I think she was may have been some drinking.
Okay. But she is breathing, correct?
Yes.
Okay. What's the phone number you're calling me from in case we get disconnected?
440.
Plunder True Crime Audio.
Okay. Do you have any sort of towel up against her bleeding head?
Yes, they do.
Okay, go ahead and do that. Don't try to move her too much. Just try to have her relax as comfortably as she can.
Okay. You guys put the towel against her head.
Don't move her at all.
Don't move her a lot.
Don't give her anything to eat or drink. The paramedics are en route. If her breathing or her level of consciousness changes before they get there, I want you to call me back, but they're on their way to
Plunder True Crime.
Road.
Yes.
Okay, they're on their way.
Thank you.